Here we have a 2021 Audi SQ8. Now this vehicle has the full ABT kit. We have the 23-inch ABT alloy wheels, all unmarked with the big black brake calipers behind. You'll also find we do have the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower, and it's currently set to the dynamic mode. You'll then find we do have the black exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black Audi badging, SQ8 badging on the left. You'll find the front splitter as well. Round to the passenger side, you'll then find the second alloy wheel, again unmarked down there. You'll also find we do have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the panoramic glass sunroof. You can see it's currently open. It can also get put onto a tilt. We do have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. 360-degree cameras with parking sensors on this vehicle and a visual display inside. We do have the quad-tip exhaust, which really do sound incredible with that V8 engine producing 640 brake horsepower. We also have the ABT rear diffuser. If you take a closer look, you'll find the badge just there in the centre. Another one as well on the tailgate. Press the button just underneath here to open up the tailgate, as it is power operated. You'll find we do have plenty of space inside of here. Got the storage net as well, and also extra storage net on the left. We also have the button for the air suspension inside of the boot, so you can lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. The partial shelf as well at the top, and also a button up here to close the boot again. Back around to the driver's side, and you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, we'll have a look at the back first. Inside of here, you can see the leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well. We also have the vents with the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers, storage nets behind the front seats. You'll also find electric windows on the doors. Take a look at the front. Let's look at the sunroof from the inside. Both these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable as well, with the memory function on the driver's side. As you can see, electrically adjustable. We've got the carbon surround as well on the seats. Memory functions on the doors, nice wooden effect trim. We have the electric windows with child lock on each side, and also the heated electric mirrors. You'll then find the premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. We have the automatic lights just here, more carbon fibre as well on the sides. Multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard as well in front of us. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, which again has the ABT logo on just there. You'll then find the speedometer and the cruise control on this stalk just here. We do also have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, automatic wipers just there. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. We've got plenty of different features on here. You can see we have the sat nav, phone connectivity, we have the media options, and also the driver assist. We can have a full screen, as you can see, all these different features, or we can have a half screen. Over to the main infotainment screen, if you click onto home, let that system load up, you'll find we have all these different features which you can go through. You'll have seen all on the photos. You can see if you go onto phone apps, then you'll find we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have the shortcuts along the right, so you can see you have the sat nav. We have the radio stations just here as well. Go back onto the home, if you go onto car, click onto the drive select, then you'll find all the different drive modes paired up with the air suspension, so you can change the height of the vehicle, or you can change the drive mode in this menu. We do also have other options, so if you go on to the lights and vision, you'll find the background ambient lighting just here. You change the brightness, you can also change the colours, or you can set your own individual colour as well. Going back again, scroll across and you find further features that are just there. We also have the driver assist, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down now, you'll find the second screen, which just has the climate control. We also have heated seats as well on either side. It's called air conditioning as well. We then have the automatic gearbox. So if you put it into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera. We also have the 3D view just here, but you can go all the way around the vehicle. Ignore the parking sensors, it's just because we have a show plate on the vehicle which is covering one of the parking sensors. Back into park by pressing P, you then find the electric handbrake and auto hold button. Open this up to find the cup holders. We also have a 12-volt connectivity. Armrest in the centre, open that up and you'll find the wireless phone charging. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle is available for next day delivery. Thank you for watching.